Hey guys, welcome to the Cooking with Jack show. I just want to give an update on my stroke. I've dropped about 14 pounds. I'm eating better, and that's what this episode's all about. It's a healthier version of enchiladas called Keto enchiladas. And it's interesting because the tortillas got to go. I can't have tortillas anymore. What I should be replacing it with is like cauliflower. The whole thing about ketogenics is get rid of the bread, get rid of the pasta, get rid of the rice and potatoes. Get rid of those. So we're going to use cheese instead of tortillas. It's pretty cool. All right, you guys ready? Oh, here's an update. I can raise my arm up that high. There you go. Things are getting better. So hang in there, and this arm will be working like normal. But in the meantime, come on in close. Let me show you what it takes to make this keto dish. All right, so you're gonna need a rotisserie chicken from the store. They're already cooked. You're gonna tear that up. You need shredded cheese. You need sour cream. You need some olives, some green chilies, some green onions, and some enchilada sauce. That's it. Okay, first thing you wanna do is preheat your oven at 350. Second thing you wanna do is shred up all the meat. We're gonna put it in this bowl. You wanna put it in some sort of bowl. Make sure that the meat is warm. So if it's not warm like we did, we just stored it, you want to microwave it really quick. Put the meat shredded in here. All right, the next thing you do is add your green chilies in with your chicken and give that a good mix. Get that all mixed together. All right, the next step is melt the cheese. So we put parchment paper down, cut it down the middle so it's easier to roll later. Trust me, you want to cut down the middle. And then lay out your cheese just like that. All right, let's pop that in the oven for about 7 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, I just want to take a moment and tell you guys as I open my Daisy sour cream, boom, there's an ad for Daisy cottage cheese. Is that brilliant? I think it's brilliant to put it right on the lining. Okay, guys, now this is very hot. Be careful. So you got a sheet of cheese. You want to put some chicken mix right at the end. Make sure your hands are washed before you do all this. Right at the end. And then you're going to slowly, my wife's going to help me roll this. So let's get it nice and filled. She's so excited because we have brought Mexican food and cheese and made it healthy all together. That's why we want the parchment paper, so we can roll that. Go ahead.
Okay, well, I'm left-handed.
Let me get that. All right, next thing I want to do is sauce it up. So let's put some sauce on, some enchilada sauce on top. Don't forget your dollop. I love sour cream, so I'm dolloping a lot of sour cream. A little bit of olives, a little bit of onions. And there is dinner. There is your keto enchiladas. Yum, yum. One of the things you want to remember while making this is to let the cheese cool just a little bit. It'll roll a lot easier. We learned that in making this video. All right, you ready? Here we go. I know what some of you are thinking. How can I change this, right? I don't care what you put in it. Just try it with the cheese. It came out great. Came out perfect. Don't forget sour cream. That's all I can tell you. All right? I love you. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.